this video, I will show you how to install and use my top 10 motion graphics template for Premiere Pro. And most of these works with Premiere Pro version 2021, but some of these also work for the previous version of the Premiere Pro.
I was lost and incomplete. I didn't know where I should go. 1,000 pounds upon my soul, and you came from nowhere, and everything fell into place. You make it better every day.
So you can download this pack absolutely free for limited time from the link in the description section below. These are all the templates which I personally created and use them for my editing workflow. So in this video, I'm giving this pack absolutely free to you for a limited period of time. Download it, and this is also part of my best seamless transition pack. So if you have already purchased the best seamless transition pack, then you don't need to download this, because if you go to the bonus section, you will find this pack inside that. So let me tell you that my best seamless transition pack is for Premiere Pro 2018 and above, and it has 300 plus transitions and elements. These are drag and drop elements which would take your video production to the next level. So download link of this pack is in the description section below. Right now you can get my best seamless transition pack at 70% off. This is a limited period offer. Go ahead, take the advantage of this, and with this pack you will get the lifetime update. So whenever update would be available, that would be available to you if you buy it right now. So let's get back to the tutorial. So you can download this pack of motion graphics template, top 10 motion graphics template pack for Premiere Pro from the link in the description section below. And once you will download this, you will get this kind of a GIF file. Just extract this by using any ungif software like WinRR or 7-GIF, and thereafter you will get these files. So these are 10 files inside it, and you will also find one text file which will have all the links of the fonts used in these motion graphics templates, so that you can install these and you don't get the missing font error. All right, so now I will tell you how you can install this. So you just need to open the Premiere Pro version 21. As I have already mentioned that most of these works with Premiere Pro 2021, but some of these also work with the previous version of the Premiere Pro. So here I have the Premiere Pro 2021 version. So for this purpose, installing these motion graphics template, you have to go to the Windows and you have to select the Essential Graphics, and that way this panel would be available right somewhere on the screen. So over here you can simply click on the plus icon to install motion graphics template. So just browse the downloaded folder, so wherever you have downloaded this folder, and then you can just select any of these files and select the open, and that way these would be available over here. But if you are using the Premiere Pro 2020 or 21 version, then you have this option to install this pack. So if you click on this hamburger menu, you will have this option, manage additional folders. Just click on this and that would open up this dialog box. Over here you need to click on the add, and now you need to just browse the downloaded folder. So when you browse that downloaded folder, just select that, and thereafter click on the select the folder, and then you need to click on the press OK, and that way all of these would be available right over here. Okay, and you can see, let me just make it big and show you. So these are 10 motion graphics template .moget files. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So these are the 10. So let me make it big so that you can see them clearly. 1 and up to over here. So all of these are included in this pack. So now let me show you how you can use them. So open any sequence or wherever you want to use it. So these are just drag and drop elements or motion graphics template. So I'll just drag and drop this one over my timeline, and that's going to take a little while to load. And if you just play it, so if you just play it, this is how it looks. And if you want to customize this, just make sure that you select this template and then go to the essential graphics and the edit panel, and over here you can just change the text. Just select the text and just double click it and write something else like change text. Okay, and then you have the option to change all of these parameters. You can adjust its position, you can place it anywhere you want, on the top or on the bottom, and all other options are available. Like you can change the font if you don't have that font as well, you can change it. You can change the fill color, you can change the background, you can even change the scale from here. So at this moment it's 150%, so you can just scale it down or scale it up. So all of these are fully customizable. Okay, so now if you just play it, this is how it looks. Now let me show you the second one. So this is the second one, and this is the hand drawn circle. So this is very useful when you want to show something, and this is in 4K. So if you just play it, you can see this is very big and large. So in order to scale it down according to your resolution, just right click and then select scale to frame size. That way it would be resized according to your sequence. And then over here in the edit panel, you have the option to scale it to 100% or scale it down, and you have the option to change its position. Anywhere you can change its position, and you can even change the color from red to, let's say, yellow, and you can change the stroke width. Okay, and if you don't want to just change the position from here, because that takes lots of time, you can come to the effects control panel over here and select the motion, and then with the selection tool selected, you can just place it anywhere on the screen. So that's very easy and simple to use. And now let's see the next one. So this is the next one. So again, this is also works the same way. Just select it, and over here you have the text option. Just double click it to change it. Okay, now let me show you another one. So this is the lower third. So let me just drop it over here, and if I just play it, you can see this is how it looks. So you can just change the text. So just go to the edit option, and over here click the text one to change the text one. So it could be your name. All right, and you have the option to change the font type and scale. So you can just scale it up or scale it down. You can change the color from this to, let's say, this. Okay, and you have the change the second text. All right, and then again you have the option to scale it up or scale it down. You can even change its color as well. So let's say something like this. All right, so these are all simple, just drag and drop, and you can change all of their settings. So they are fully customizable. You can adjust their position as well. So go ahead, download this pack absolutely free for limited time. Download it and use it. And if you want to support this channel, please buy my best seamless transition pack, which you can get at 70% off right now. It has 300 plus transitions and elements which are very useful. All of these are simple drag and drop transition. These would take your videos to the next level. So the download link is in the description section below. Go ahead, get the 70% off and support me to make more and more free stuffs for you. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the like button. If you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. Bye bye.